Just start a new paragraph in Word, type =Lorem, and hit Enter. Microsoft Word, all versions, has a hidden feature that allows you to easily insert lorem ipsum, or random text into your document. I actually use the feature all the Word 2007, 2010, 2013, and the latest Word 2016 has a groovy feature that allows you to create random text or lorem ipsum text quickly and easily using a simple command. It's very convenient for bloggers who need to create a mock website with dummy text or create a mock-up of something for a PowerPoint presentation. Enabling the Speak function is essentially just adding an extra command to one of your command tabs. Right-click on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. In the window that appears, select all commands from the drop-down menu on the left. Scroll down to find the Speak command, then click on it to highlight it.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click Online Video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add. You can also type a keyword to search online for the video that best fits your document.
Here's a trick that many people don't know about. When you're writing a document in Microsoft Word, you might need to do a few quick calculations. Sure, you could open a separate calculator app, but wouldn't it be easier if you could just get a quick answer right within the Word document that you're working on? Well, by adding a calculator to Microsoft Word, it's possible. First, right-click on the toolbar at the top of the screen, customize toolbars and menus. Second, click on the Commands tab. Third, select Tools on the left side of the screen. Fourth, on the right side, search until you find Tools Calculate. Fifth, drag that item up to your toolbar. The autocorrect feature in Word 2016 fixes hundreds of common typos and spelling errors on the fly. You have to be quick to see it in action. For example, in Word you can't type the word misspell with only one S. That's because autocorrect fixes that typo the split second that you press the spacebar. First, click the File tab. Second, choose Options. Third, the Word Options dialog box appears. Fourth, click the Proofing category on the left side of the window. Fifth, click the Autocorrect Options button. Sixth, the Autocorrect dialog box appears with the Autocorrect tab forward.
changes around like an ocean in